Deepika Krishnaswamy. I'm a registered dietitian and a nutrition and wellness consultant by practice. Nearly 9% of Indian adults are estimated to be diabetic. Faulty eating habits, poor lifestyle, overuse of refined foods, high-fat foods, high-sugar foods, lack of physical activity, high stress are all contributing factors not only to the increasing prevalence of diabetes in our country, but also other lifestyle-related diseases. Nutrition and physical activity are two very important lifestyle factors which not only help to prevent diabetes and other lifestyle diseases, but also help to control blood glucose levels better. What we eat, how much we eat, and when we eat help to determine the blood glucose levels and keep it under control. One size doesn't fit all, so personalized meal plans become very important for a person who is diabetic, who in turn can control blood sugar levels much better. However, as a guideline, it's important to include all food groups and a variety of foods in the daily meal plan. Like whole grains, we have whole wheat, brown rice, unpolished millets in our country which can be used. Pulses and dals like rajma, chana, tur dal, moong dal, etc. And egg or meat for a person who eats non-vegetarian, like lean meat like chicken, fish and all of those. Fluids like water and other healthy liquids. Nuts like almonds, all these should be a part of a daily meal plan. It is also important to avoid foods like high-fat foods, deep-fried foods, sugary foods, sweets, desserts, sweetened beverages, fruit juices, and all of these in order to keep the blood glucose under control. These healthy items would be distributed over 3 meals and perhaps a snack. A lot of us Indians are used to eating a snack in the evening in order to bridge the hunger gap between lunch and dinner. But a lot of people reach out for unhealthy high-fat snacks like a vegetable patty or a chicken burger or a tea cake or maybe a muffin or a pastry and so on. Instead, reach out to healthy snack options like a handful of almonds or a fresh fruit or a cup of sprouts or something which is health building, which contains a lot of nutrients which will help not only to build health but also to keep blood glucose under control because it provides some amount of fiber along with other nutrients. If a person is overweight, it is important to reduce weight and keep the weight under check so that the blood glucose also can be well controlled. Portion size is very important. In a meal plate, it's important to have more of vegetables and some amount of protein foods and some amount of carbohydrate foods. So it's important to get help from a qualified dietitian to help you plan your meal better and eat healthily. And lastly, physical activity is very important to keep your diabetes under check. So practice a healthy lifestyle, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.